Welcome back, folks, to my channel. So today I decided to show you that the silver bullet still work. Right, the silver bullet still work. Right, the silver bullet still work. You can see this is 0.98 cents towards to $5. Now let me explain why I pick up this trade. Right, let me explain why I pick up this trade. Meanwhile, if you are here to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please do wait to hit on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that you stay updated each time I'm dropping the content. Right. Okay. Uh okay, so that's the midpoint of that range. So I'm looking to see what happened there. Maybe I might tend to close that position. Okay, let me close up. So now, earlier on I did a video on how you can trade the silver bullet, right? How you can trade the silver bullet with synthetic indices. So today I'm going to be doing a recap of it, right? I'm going to be doing a recap of it, right? So now I said there are three things you look out to in trading silver bullet. One of it is what you look at for the time. Now if you look at very well, we are currently in what? This is 7:38 in my time. 7:38 in my time. That 7:38 now is the beginning of London session. So London session key zone. So you can see that at the beginning of it, we already see to downtrend, but we had a small pullback. Now on the pullback right, on the pullback, what you target is what you target is this. You target the fair value gap, right? You target the fair value gap that is present there. Now you can see that I measured my range, right? I measured my range, and if you look at very well, we are coming from this perspective here, right? We are coming from this perspective. So I look out to that. So remember what I said. If you are yet to watch the videos on the silver bullet, you'll find a link at the description of this video, and at the end of the video you will find a link on it. So that's what we'll do with the silver bullets, right? So actually I'm looking for a sell, but I just took that buy to show you that silver bullet still work, right? Silver bullet still works. Wow. So now I look at very well on 15-minute time frame. we are there on 15-minute time frame. So is that fair value gap I'm looking? The fair value gap that we are currently, that's what I'm looking at. So I can decide to see what happen. They can pass it and come and tap this other block here, right? This other block here, or this inversion here. So those are the areas I'm looking for. From there I'll pick my sell. Right, from there I can pick my sell to the downside. Alright, I can pick my sell from there. So that's on the silver bullet. So don't forget that the three things you look out for is you check your trend, right? The time that you have. Now one thing, let me tell you one secret that you will find in this video. Now if you look at very well, this is a what? This is a swing high, a 3-bar pattern, right? A 3-bar pattern, right? A lower high to the left and a lower high to the right. So we are waiting for this candle to finish for me, right? So once this candle finish for me now, it can confirm a what? A confirmed swing high. But I anticipate that this should be a what? A swing high. And this should be a what? A swing high. So if you look at very well, now if you take the same thing that I did here on this rectangle here, if I should do the same thing back, right? That I measure the range here, right? I measure the range here, right? You can see that we'll be looking to take what? Our trade in premium, right? So there's still possibility of this buy lasting to this midpoint, the equilibrium of this range, pushing price from discount to what? To premium, so that I can have my what? My sell. There's possibility of that too, but I would watch the what? The way the key zone will plays out by what? By 8 o'clock. This is 7:41 my time, right? So you check. The first thing you need to understand is understand the range where you are. The range that you are determines a lot, right? The range that you are determines a lot. So you have to understand the range that you are, right? So once you understand the range you are, then you can what? You can decide on the buyers that you are going to. You can decide on the buyers that you are going to, right? So that is that. So I'm still expecting this buy to still continue. I'm still expecting that buy to continue, right? Because we had some liquidity at the top that we are yet to clear. We have some liquidity at the top that we are yet to clear. So I'm just looking at them to see how this would be, right? How this would be. So this is 742. So for the silver bullet, don't forget what we said. There are 3 things you look for. Now if you look at very well, my true day open price is here. So it's confirming the what? The higher sell, the longer term sell bias is what? It's confirming the longer term sales bias. So just need to be patient at this area to see what they actually want to do, right? So I still have like 45 minutes to my actual silver bullet time, right? My actual silver bullet time. So let's just watch out to see what they will do there, right? In trading, you have to be very patient. Patient is what? Is virtuous. Patient is virtuous. So guys, I will be posting the video, or let me just say that I will end the video here now, and I will definitely update you on how it goes on my WhatsApp status and my Telegram channel. So if you are here to join my Telegram channel, please do well to hit on that subscribe button. You will find the link in the description, so you can join you can join my Telegram channel. I do give out tips daily on it, and I do give out signals on it when I have a good signal to share out. Alright guys, if you want me to still talk about the silver bullets, or you still need more video on the silver bullets, drop it on the comment section. I will look into it and give you a live analysis of a live trade with silver bullets. Silver bullets still works. It's just that you've not been doing what you are supposed to do.